Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Post market opportunity radar for 1 July 2026. All the three indices closed positive today. Top gainer among the three is Bank Nifty. India VIX is stable. FIIs become net sellers today, but the DII support hold the market. Gift Nifty, based on today's opening, closed above 4 points. Tomorrow there is a Sensex expiry, so we have to carefully tread with the Sensex tomorrow. So today's market, major dragger is IT, with HCL Tech falling more than 3.4% and TCS falling more than 2.45%, and major gainer being Realty. The entire sector gained 3.58% today and followed by FMCG and auto. VIX is slightly stable and falling, so it is a bullish trend for the market. Since Nifty also closed positive and hold the 24,000 level, we can expect, if there is no negative macro news, the price to further move in the positive direction. So today's top gainers is a mixed bag. Lot of sectors were included like power, logistics, platform business, FMCG, paint. So there is no clear trend or clear gain in a particular sector. There is a mixed bag of positive momentum. So we can expect a overall positive momentum happening inside most of the sectors today. Top losers being IT. Upon this entire 10 stocks, 8 stocks is from IT sector and 2 is from metal. So metal and IT being very negative for the past 1 week. So we have to stay away from these two sectors for the short term. Lot of IT stocks have hit the 52-week low. If we have to buy them, we have to go company specific. We should not simply invest based on the heavy weights. We have to see the company specific future capex, their direction of travel, whether they are venturing into AI or data center or any other futuristic business, and based on that we have to evaluate the company and then only we have to enter. So simply buying a 52-week low will not help us, because there can be another 52-week low next week. So overall, as we see, Realty, FMCG, media and auto lead the bullishness. Pharma, metal and IT lead the bearishness today. As per options data, Nifty and Bank Nifty PCR has came to neutral zone. Previously it was in negative zone. Today it has come to neutral zone. So we can expect a further positive momentum in both the counters. Sensex is still in bearish zone because there can be a pressure because of expiry tomorrow. So there is a Sensex expiry tomorrow. There can be expiry pressure. After that, it can slightly move to neutral zone or bullish zone. As per OI build-up, 3 counters is very bullish and having a long build-up: Eternal, Delivery and Lodha, followed by DLF. So as we see, Eternal and Delivery have a huge volume, signals and institutional accumulation signal, and Realty sector is also joining the bullish bandwagon today. Yesterday, housing finance banks have moved positive. Today, the sector is also moving positive. So far, a short term swing trading idea, we can look into this sector. Short build-up happened yesterday itself. In the post-market report, we have shown that KP80 is having a heavy volume selling. So today also it followed, and there is a very high selling pressure in KP80 and other IT companies also. Tata Elxsi, HCL Tech, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infi, everything is in a short selling pressure. So unusual volume came in multiple sectors, which we have already seen. And for tomorrow's watch list, this is not a recommendation. You can keep this in watch list, and then based on tomorrow's price action, you can proceed, because pre-market and post-market report, everything is we are giving after market hours. But after the market open, based on the particular day's overall market trend, sector trend, and the stock trend, it may vary the direction. So what we have to do is we have to keep the stocks in watch list only, and tomorrow you have to consult the market direction, overall market direction, the sector direction, and the stock direction. If all the three are in tandem only, we have to enter into the stock based on our strategy. Whichever technical strategy you are using, you can use it. So simply, the stocks are for illustration only, not recommendatory. Don't take it as a buy sell recommendation. Just keep it in your watch list, and based on your discretion only, you take action against it. So tomorrow's key level for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex is given here. You can take a screenshot, draw these levels in your chart, and you can see how these levels are operating. For more post-market videos like this and pre-market post and weekend videos, follow our YouTube channel. When you have to trust someone for your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using value and momentum framework, as well as for free consultation and demo of our services, kindly call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.